Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with Emily. Today, we're going to learn 10 real English conversations for traveling, not textbook English, real English. We'll visit airports, train stations, hotels, taxis, and more. You'll learn how to solve problems politely and speak with confidence. These are the situations that actually happen when you travel. Let's learn together.
Conversation 1. Airport check-in problem.
Hello, I'm checking in for flight TA-205 to London.
Good morning. Can I see your passport and booking reference, please?
Yes, here you are.
I'm sorry, but I don't see your booking in our system.
What? But I booked this 2 weeks ago. I have the confirmation email right here.
Let me check again. Oh, I see the issue. Your payment didn't go through, so the booking was automatically canceled.
Oh no, I really need to get to London today. It's urgent. What can we do?
I understand this is frustrating. Let me see what's available. There's one seat left on this flight, but it's more expensive.
How much more?
It's $320 instead of $180.
That's expensive, but I need to go. I'll take it. Can I pay now?
Yes, of course. I'll process that for you right away.
Thank you so much for helping me.
You're welcome. Here's your boarding pass. Gate 12, boarding starts in 30 minutes.
Conversation 2. Lost at the train station.
Excuse me, can you help? I'm a bit lost.
Of course. Where are you trying to go?
I'm going to Manchester. My ticket says the train leaves at 2:15.
Let me check. Yes, that's platform 7. It's over there, to your left.
Thank you. Do I need to print my ticket or can I show it on my phone?
Your phone is fine. Just show it to the conductor on the train.
Great. And which carriage should I go to?
Your ticket shows carriage C. The train is quite long, so look for the letter C on the platform.
Perfect. How much time do I have?
About 10 minutes. You have plenty of time.
Thank you so much. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome. Have a safe journey.
Conversation 3. Taxi fare dispute.
That'll be £45, please.
45 pounds? I think there's a mistake. The app said it would be about 25 pounds.
There's no mistake. Look at the meter.
I see the meter, but can you explain why it's so high?
We waited 10 minutes for you. That's £8 waiting charge, and there's a night surcharge of £5.
I didn't know about the waiting charge. I came down as fast as I could.
I understand, but the meter starts when I arrive.
This is very expensive for me. Is there any way to reduce it?
I'm sorry, but I can't change the meter. These are the standard charges.
Okay, I understand. I'll pay, but next time I'll be more careful about the charges.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. You can see all the charges listed there.
Thank you.
Conversation 4. Hotel reservation mix-up.
Hello, I have a reservation. The name is Leo Martinez.
Good evening, Mr. Martinez. Let me check. I'm very sorry, but we don't have a room available for you tonight.
What do you mean? I booked this room 3 weeks ago. I have a confirmation number, HT4892.
Let me look into this. Oh, I see. There was an overbooking error. I sincerely apologize.
This is really frustrating. I'm very tired and I don't have anywhere else to stay. What are you going to do about this?
I completely understand your frustration. Let me see what we can do. We can offer you an upgraded suite at our sister hotel 5 minutes away. No extra charge.
Will it be the same quality?
Actually, it's better. It's a larger room with a better view, and we'll include free breakfast for 3 days as an apology.
Okay, that sounds fair. I appreciate you making this right.
Thank you for understanding. We'll arrange a taxi to take you there right now, free of charge.
Thank you. I hope this doesn't happen to other guests.
We're very sorry. Here's the address and your new confirmation.
Conversation 5. Bus route confusion.
Excuse me, which bus goes to the city center?
You need the number 25 or number 40. They both go there.
Which one is faster?
The 25 is express. It takes about 20 minutes. The 40 stops more, so it takes 35 minutes.
I'll take the 25 then. Where do I buy a ticket?
You can pay with an Oyster card or contactless card when you get on the bus.
I don't have an Oyster card. Can I use my credit card?
Yes, just tap it when you get on.
Do I need to tap when I get off too?
Yes, always tap in and tap out. Otherwise, you'll be charged the maximum fare.
Good to know. How often does the bus come?
every 10 minutes during the day.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good day.
Conversation 6. Metro ticket problem.
Excuse me, I'm having trouble with this machine. Can you help me?
Sure. Where are you going?
I'm going to Oxford Circus.
Okay. First, select your destination here on the screen. Then choose the ticket type. Do you want a single or return ticket?
What's the difference?
A single ticket is one way only. A return ticket lets you come back.
I need a return ticket.
Good. That's £5.50. You can pay by card or cash.
I'll use my card. Do I just tap it here?
Yes. Tap or insert it there.
Thank you. One more question. How many stops is it?
About 7 stops. It takes 15 minutes.
And what if I miss my stop?
Don't worry. Just get off at the next stop and take the train back 1 stop. But pay attention to the announcements.
I will. Thank you so much for your patience.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Conversation 7. Delayed flight.
Excuse me, I just saw that my flight is delayed by 3 hours.
Yes, I'm sorry about that. There's a technical issue with the aircraft.
I have a connecting flight in Paris. Will I miss my connection?
Let me check your booking. Yes, unfortunately you will miss it. The connecting flight leaves in 2 hours.
Oh no. What are my options?
We can rebook you on the next available flight to your final destination. That would be tomorrow morning at 8 a.m.
Tomorrow? But I need to be there tonight. Is there anything earlier?
I'm afraid all the evening flights are fully booked. However, we'll provide you with a hotel voucher and meal vouchers for tonight.
What about my luggage? Will it be okay?
Your luggage will be transferred to the new flight automatically. You'll collect it at your final destination.
I understand. It's not ideal, but thank you for helping me. Can I get the vouchers now?
Of course. Here you are. The hotel is 10 minutes from the airport and we'll arrange transport for you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Conversation 8. Car rental problem.
Hello. I rented a car this morning, but there's a problem.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What's the problem?
The car is making a strange noise when I brake. It sounds like grinding.
That doesn't sound good. Where's the car now?
It's in the parking lot outside. Can someone check it?
Yes, of course. Let me call our mechanic. He'll be here in 5 minutes. What's your rental agreement number?
It's RC7734.
Thank you. While we wait, can you describe exactly when you hear the noise?
Every time I press the brake pedal. It started about an hour ago.
Okay, this is clearly a safety issue. We'll give you a replacement car immediately.
Will there be any extra charge for that?
No, absolutely not. This is our responsibility. We apologize for the inconvenience.
Thank you. How long will it take to get the new car?
About 15 minutes. We'll transfer your luggage for you.
That's very helpful. Thank you for handling this so quickly.
It's our pleasure. Safety is our priority.
Conversation 9. Tourist information booth.
Hello, I'd like some information about city tours.
Of course. We have several options. What kind of tour are you interested in?
I'm not sure. What do you recommend for someone visiting for the first time?
I'd recommend the hop-on, hop-off bus tour. You can get on and off at any stop and explore at your own pace.
That sounds good. Are there other options?
Yes, we also have walking tours and boat tours on the river.
What's the difference in price?
The bus tour is £35 for 24 hours. The walking tour is £20 for 2 hours. The boat tour is £28 for 1 hour.
Can I do the bus tour for just today, or is it only 24 hours?
The ticket is valid for 24 hours from when you first use it, so you could use it today and tomorrow morning if you want.
Perfect. I'll take the bus tour. Do I need to print the ticket?
No, you'll get a digital ticket on your phone. Just show it to the driver when you board.
Great. One more question. Does it have audio commentary?
Yes, in 12 languages. You'll get headphones when you board.
Wonderful. I'll buy 1 ticket, please.
That's £35. Card or cash?
Card, please. Thank you for all the information.
Conversation 10. Missing luggage report.
Excuse me, my luggage didn't arrive. Everyone else from my flight has collected theirs, but mine isn't here.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me help you file a report. Can I see your baggage claim ticket and boarding pass?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Can you describe your luggage?
It's a large black suitcase with a red ribbon tied to the handle. It has a tag with my name on it.
What's inside the luggage? Just a general description.
Clothes, shoes, toiletries, and some gifts. Nothing valuable.
Good. I've entered all this information. Your case number is BL-9823.
Can I track it online?
Yes, use this website and enter your case number. We'll also send you email updates.
When will it be delivered?
Usually within 24 to 48 hours. We'll deliver it to your hotel address for free.
What if it doesn't arrive in 48 hours?
If it takes longer, we'll provide compensation according to airline policy. You can also claim for essential items you need to buy today.
Like clothes and a toothbrush?
Exactly. Keep the receipts and you can claim up to £50.
Okay, that's helpful. Thank you for your assistance.
You're welcome. We'll do our best to locate your luggage quickly. Is there anything else?
No, that's all. I'll wait for the update. Thank you.
Great job! You've learned 10 real travel situations today. Remember, when you travel, problems happen to everyone. The key is to stay calm, be polite, and communicate clearly. Politeness helps people want to help you. Clarity helps them understand your problem. Now, let me ask you, which conversation was most useful for you? Which situation scares you the most when traveling? Please leave your answer in the comments below. I read all of them. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends who are learning English. Tell me what travel situation you want to learn next. Thank you for learning with me today. Safe travels, and see you in the next lesson.